Here I have UMIDIGI Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you just have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate through the menu and volume down key to select options, and select the first option, recovery mode. After you see this Android robot and no command message under it, just hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate through the menu and power key to select options, and here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.